In this video, you will learn how to get a loan for rental properties, check your credit score, start by reviewing your credit score and financial history. Lenders prefer borrowers with good credit scores, usually above 680, for better loan terms. Research lenders and loan options, compare banks to credit unions or even private lenders to find the best mortgage rate or loan options for investment or rental properties. Save for a down payment. Prepare at least 15 to 25% of the property value as a down payment, since rental property loans typically require a higher upfront payment than residential ones. Gather financial documents. Collect necessary paperwork, such as proof of income, tax returns, bank statements, and employment details, to verify your financial stability. Submit your loan application. Fill out the lender's loan application form online or in person, then provide accurate details about your finances and the rental property. Get a loan approved and close the deal. After your application is reviewed, the lender will approve the loan and guide you through signing the final paperwork to fund your rental property purchase. Now you know. Now you know how to get a loan for the rental property. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.